Ever wondered why your radio sometimes crackles on a clear day? It might be due to cosmic rays. These high-energy particles from outer space can cause static interruptions in radio signals. When they hit the Earth's atmosphere, they create a shower of secondary particles that can interfere with electronic devices. It's like the universe is sending a little hello to your radio. This quirky phenomenon reminds us of the vast, invisible forces at play in our daily lives. If you enjoyed this cosmic tidbit, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.